You hit him again.
Ooh, almost.
Man.
What's the noise?
Have mercy. Well, there it's fine. If you've got the time.
I never got my
What
dad.
is going on? Switch
How's she
your
bowling?
arm
Good?
all over. Alright, this remote is
Go up.
hard.
Look at that. Perfect.
That's a spare, Mom. Nice.
Nice 164.
I did terrible at first. Nothing but that. Awful.
Bring it over a couple arrows. See those arrows? Yeah. That's what you should be aiming
You
at.
want to play?
She got 4 in a row?
What's wrong with you? Go down there. Get going.
Oh! 2 turkeys in 1 game. 2 turkeys in 1 game. You're gonna bowl.
Holy
got one.
moly.
How many strikes?
She's got 6 strikes in 9 frames.
Wow.
Look, you're all out of breath.
Score. Do they keep the high score? There's a strike. You better be videotaping this.
This is 4 in a row?
Funny.
Yeah.
Look at that light. Come on.
Look,
Oh, this is 10th frame,
He
huh?
doesn't want me to play with her anymore.
I'm taking
She's
this
got a
back to.
possible 259. You're up still.
Oh, is this
This
the
is
end?
10th
10th frame.
Oh, great.
You're over 200 right now. Sleeper, watch out. Don't matter. She's at 245 right now. $247. Take a bow. Oh my
Is
God.
that 10th frame?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Go take.
Wow, look at that. 247.
Gosh, unreal.
Look at all them strikes. Look at they're all jumping for joy.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, that was